Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great to be doing another video for you. So today guys, basically I'm gonna show you guys personally where I earn money to invest in the stock market. So let's get straight into the video. So um two apps that I personally use to earn in the stock market are called Receipt Jar and also Receipt Ag. So first I'm gonna go in straight into the Receipt Jar and share with you guys basically how it works. So basically this is a app that you're able to upload your receipts, and just by doing that you're able to um personally get coins. Once you do get your coins, you are able to go ahead and redeem your coins redeem your coins for PayPal money or Visa or also Amazon card. For me personally, I do um take out PayPal money, as you guys can see right here. I go ahead and take out PayPal money. So yes guys, so basically this is just one of the app that I use. It's simple, really easy. All you gotta do is press the receipt the camera button and take a picture of the receipts, the full picture. And if it's a longer receipt, you want to take it in quarterly, so quarter of the receipt, quarter. And then you have to also take a full picture so they can see what's on it clearly. So I know it's a holiday season coming up. You guys may be buying things for the season, like the fall season, things for the Christmas season. So I'm just gonna share this app with you where you're able to go ahead and earn from it. So what I do after I have go ahead and earn with this app, I'll take out my money in PayPal um account, my PayPal account, then transfer the PayPal account to my bank account. Then I'll transfer it to my brokerage account, and then I'll just go ahead and buy a stocks. Mainly I focus on REITs. So REITs is basically they pay you out their certain of their profit. So I think 90% of their profit they pay out to shareholders. So if you are a shareholders in a REIT, you're able to um participate in that. So yes guys, so the next one I want to share with you is called Receipt Hack, and I will be leaving the link in the description down below for you. So yes, it'll be super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. So yeah, so this is Receipt Jar, and with Receipt Jar it's the very same thing. You're able to upload your receipt, and once you do that, even if you shop online, let's say you shop online, you can go ahead and connect your account. As you guys can see, I have connect my Amazon account, and if you have a Walmart account too, you can go ahead and collect your Walmart account. Also you can collect email address. So let's say you use different email address. So let's say you pay your, because I have Disney Channel, so I pay Disney Channel. So I connect that email address when I use and pay Disney Channel. And I don't know, maybe let's see if they're gonna give me something. So any receipt that I use online, my that email address, I will just be connecting here and see what happen. If they pay me, they pay me. If they don't pay me, they don't pay me. That's just what it is, but I have to try. So yes guys, so whatever service you use, just link the email there. You never know, you might just receive a payment from them, right? So yeah, so the next thing I want to share with you, I forgot to show you guys my earnings. So let's go into my wallet and also my redeems. So I show you guys my redeems, my earnings. Where is it? My earnings. uh, okay, my expense, do my earnings. I want to show you guys. Let's go here. Okay, yeah, so you can see guys, I have basically um cash out. So what happened in these app, they basically show you like the first five or maybe the first three, but I have cash out more, but I don't know, maybe they just show you the the first 5 or the first 6 or something. So yeah, so that's basically what it is, guys. So then again, uh this is just what I use personally, and once I get those earnings there, so if I go back, you guys can see that, okay, so 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, this is $30. Guys, REITs in the stock market are selling for $15, $11, $20. So this could buy you a REIT, and you can also go ahead and earn dividend from that. I'm just sharing what I do personally in this holiday season. Guys, the mindset that I have is, in this holiday season, I'm gonna go ahead and shop. I'm going ahead and buy all these things. Why not shop in the stock market also? Because when everything is over and holiday is over, what leaves? Like, at least I can say in my mind, I have um sorry, I have a stock in Walmart, or I have a stock in Amazon, or I have a stock in uh you know McDonald's, or one of these companies, so yeah, just something to keep in mind. So yes, guys, so this is basically what I want to share with you guys. So yeah, I do have other cash out video, so I will be doing that for you now, and I'll be uploading them. So guys, before I go, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.